absolutely love dressing up. I mean, everybody thinks that actors are self-obsessed and all that, but come on, tell me one girl who does not like dressing up. And I'm one of those annoying girls. If I don't get time to get ready for a party, I will not go to the party. We pay so much attention to our face and the clothes, but I think, you know, hands are usually just neglected. I mean, not in my case, because I think I've always had long nails since school or something. I love doing my nails. I'm always wearing some rings and a watch. So easy to quickly just put on a different watch and your hand looks full and it looks pretty, and then I talk like this and it shows. So this is supposed to be like the evening wear, the party wear for this shoot, and of course this is, I like this look a lot because I am really dressed up. I don't think I've ever done my hair like this, and the watch that goes with this look is really beautiful. I think it's elegant. It's a dull gold. I like dull gold, and it's got some bling around the rim. It goes really well with my nails, if you see. So yeah, I quite like it. It's pretty. So basically now what I'm wearing is like this anarkali. It's actually like a fusion Indian wear. This is something personally I would like to wear for any festival or any, you know, Indian occasions where you have to wear something ethnic, because it's got this really showy, nice neck and the sleeves, and then it goes into an anarkali, which is like, it's got a skirt inside. It's like a lehenga. So, you know, because there's so much happening on my dress now, it's black and gold. So we went with this dainty black watch, which has a little bit of detailing of blue in it, in fact, which is why there's some blue in my eyes and there's some blue jewelry to team up with it. So I think it's nice. It's quirky, it's dainty, it's feminine. It goes very well with the Indian outfit, and it's actually something I would wear with something Western also. You know, picking the right watch can be, I don't know, I think it's very individual. I think it's your own style. So there are days when I feel dainty and feminine and I want to wear something, you know, delicate. And then there are days when I want to wear something loud. So with something that's overall so showy and ethnic, I think something dainty like this goes really well. This look is very me. It's young and it's fun and it's got a lot of color. I personally love color, and I think when you're wearing so much color, you should definitely, like, you know, like here we've toned it down with this brown watch and chunky watch. It's a big watch. It looks sporty. It's brown. It's got rose gold numerics on it. It's quite pretty, and it's also feminine in a way where it has these small diamond things, and the accessories around it make it feminine yet fun. It's again a statement. It's fashionable. It's very me. So it's basic, right? I mean, I can't tell you which watch to buy exactly, but it's about what you're wearing. What is your look for the day, and you can pick up a watch accordingly. Ideally, you should have a collection of watches to go with different kind of clothes, and it's all about breaking the rules. I feel just break the rules. Don't do the conventional thing. Do your own thing. It's been a long day of shoot and a fun day of shoot. We've done 3 looks each, and I'm waiting to see how the pictures come out. Me and Karan are shooting together after a long time. That, I mean, we're good friends and we're co-actors. We've worked so much together. So there's a certain comfort level. There's no formality as such. So he can come and do whatever. I can say whatever. So yeah, it feels quite at home.
I'm gonna bomb her right now. Hi. Let's take my shot. Please take my watch.
What is going on?
That's how a bomb movie.
So you saw how he just came in and photobombed, and that's not the first time he's done this. He keeps doing this because Karan loves the camera. Let's face it, he wants to be in front of the camera. Even if I'm there, he wants to throw me out of the frame and still be in the camera. That's just him. You can't help it.
I don't want to do this. She's faking it.
When I pick a watch, so basically I think it's important when you start making a collection, you first have the basics. So you have to have like the basic metallics or the basic watches that go with your daily wear or a formal wear. And then you can experiment by going into different colors or a different dial. It's been a lot of fun working with Sonata. This association with Sonata has been really nice. It's actually, Titan Sonata is a brand that we've known for years now. I mean, you know, it's been there, it's been around, it's an Indian brand. and I take immense pride in the fact that they make such beautiful watches at reasonable prices, and I'm sure a lot of us can pick up watches, and this makes it easy for us to have too many of them, you know.